Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You must act now. First, open Google Photos and check trash. Anything there can be restored within 60 days. Once done, make sure backup and sync is on and the correct Google account is selected so new items won't be lost. Next, start a Google Takeout export right away and choose only Google Photos. This creates an independent archive. Do this before moving on because an export preserves what remains and gives you a downloadable backup you control. Once the takeout job finishes, download every archive part to local storage or an external drive. Use 2 GB zip chunks if your connection is unstable. Make sure the download completes without errors, and then extract the photos. Verify counts and spot check file names and dates against the Photos app so you know the archive is complete. If you want long-term safety, copy the extracted folder to 2 different locations. Cloud storage. Finally, upload the extracted photos back into Google Photos if you want them cloud accessible. Otherwise, keep them as offline master copies. Once uploaded, confirm metadata, dates, and album structure. Recreate shared libraries or partner sharing if necessary. Make sure backup and sync stays enabled so new images are preserved. If you find missing items after export, immediately recheck Google Photos trash and any other Google accounts or device backups. Beyond roughly 60 days, permanent recovery from Google is usually not possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.